Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Here we'll apply the remainder theorem, right? Let us find. Let px is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. You have to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor or not. Now let here 7 plus 3x equal to 0. By using the remainder theorem, we are getting 3x is equal to minus 7. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7 by 3, minus 7 by 3. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. If we put here p minus 7 by 3 minus 7 by 3, then we are getting 3 s cube is minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7x, 7, x is minus 7 by 3. Therefore, we are getting minus, this is 3 into 7 is 49, 49 into 7, 7 is 63, 6 it is 3, 4 is 28, 20, 30, 34, 343, 343 by 3 is 9, 327 minus 7 is 49, 49 by 3, right? Therefore, we are getting 27 as the remainder, 27. It is minus, if we multiply 343 with 3, then we are getting 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, carry 1, it is 2, 3 3 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 0 2 9, 1 0 2 9 minus. You divide 27 by 3, 3 9 is 27, that is 49 into 9, 49 into 9. 9 is 81, 8 it is 1, 436, 36, 436, 40, 44, 44, 441, 441, 441. We add this one with 1029, 1029. Then we are getting 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, it is 0. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 4, 1, 1740 minus 1, 4, 70 by 27. If we divide it by 3, 3, 9 is 27, 3, 4 is 12, 31 27, 3, 9 is 27, 0. We are getting minus 490, 490 by 9. Therefore, the remainder is 490 by 9. We are not getting the remainder as 0. Here, the remainder is here. The remainder is here. The remainder is minus 490 by 9. Since the remainder is not 0, since the remainder is not 0, since the remainder is not 0, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 7 plus 3x, 7 plus 3x, 7 plus 3x is not a factor, not a factor of 3 s cube plus 7x. Right? Let's again find by remainder theorem. We are finding px equal to, let px equal to 3s cube plus 7x. Here 7 plus 3x equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 7 by 3. We are putting p minus 7 by 3 and we are getting minus 490 by 9. Here the remainder is minus 490 by 9. Since the remainder is not 0, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.